Hi and welcome to my art studio tour. I am Caro Arevalo, a Peruvian visual artist based in Brooklyn. Before we go any further with this video, I just want to say that you don't need any of this in order to make art. You don't need a big studio nor all the things in here. I have been in the studio for the past 3 years and it's been a true blessing. But before having this studio, I've had smaller studios and even those were a huge luxury, because for years I worked on top of my bed or the floor next to it. I painted on my bed during all my BFA and the first 3 years I lived in the city. My first room in New York City wasn't even legally considered a room. It had no windows and the only thing that fit on it was my bed. But in that space I got to create some of my favorite artwork up until today. So that being said, I really hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Bye!